and what's up, everybody? If your Telegram is having the code issue and if you're not getting SMS while you're trying to log in into Telegram and you're wondering how to fix that login issue, this video will guide you exactly through the process. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So, first of all, let's head over to our devices settings and tap on it. And from here, let's head over to connections and tap on it. And what we need to ensure is that our phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or the mobile data. So you can just go over and ensure that process right here, and that should will do it for you. So apart from that, you need to restart your phone as just hold the power button for that. So and once you hold your power button, you can find a restart option on your screen. Just go ahead and open it and restart your phone, and again try logging in into this Telegram application and see if it works for you. Apart from that, you can check your notification settings for Telegram itself. You can wait for the Telegram app and go to the info section at the top. And from there, once you tap on info, go to the notifications option and ensure that you have allowed permission for notifications. If not Telegram, you need to ensure that permissions is allowed for the messaging application where you will be getting the code. So for example, you can hold the messaging application, go to the info section and tap on it. After that, once you tap on it, you just need to go over and look out for the option of notifications and ensure this option is turned on right here. Also clear the Telegram's cache. You can hold the Telegram app for that. And once again, go to the info section. And once you go to app info, you can scroll down and find the option for storage and tap on it. And look out for the option of clear cache and clear the cache of Telegram and try logging in into Telegram once again. Apart from that, you can just go over and contact the support team. If that does not work, you can go to their website and go ahead and describe the issue and provide your email and phone number. And that way, you can just go over and fix the issue of your Telegram not getting code. So that is it, everybody. These are some of the solutions you can try out. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.